Yes, ma'am, you can start now.
Yeah, a very good evening, everyone. Thank you, Pune branch, for giving me this wonderful opportunity, which revolves around revolutionizing chartered accountants 24 by 7 AI support to our chartered accountant fraternity and their clients.
Gurveen, I would just request you to introduce yourself briefly to our
Okay,
joinees before starting so that they know Gurveen is not from Pune, but I just wanted to tell you all that we have first interacted at our AI summit, which happened in Pune. And then again, we interacted at WOFA, and I just came across the chatbot. She has prepared herself for her clients, especially for return filing and all. And I found it would be really interesting for our participants to do, which will also save a lot of time. What we spend in just talking to them and telling them what all documents they have to say, some basic frequently asked questions which we say and to save our time. So I requested and
absolutely
we can
right.
implement the same in some other things also. And Gurveen also has been I think participant in all the hackathons. Am I right, Gurveen?
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
So I would request you to first tell about yourself a bit to all our participants, and then you can very well begin from this. And thank you for accepting my invitation. Over to you, Gurveen.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. Um, To start with, I am CA Gurveen Narang from, I always say Guru Ki Nagri, that's Amritsar, Punjab. And we met Neha at AI Summit at Pune. And I'm an AI enthusiast and a trainer and a speaker on artificial intelligence. And I've also participated in hackathons, semi-finalist for 2025. And I had prepared three tools myself, which I demonstrated in AI hackathons by ICAI. I've also authored two books by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It's AI and Indian economy, AI law and governance. So then, when I met Neha, first of all, congratulations to Pune branch for getting the award. And it was there itself when I just was talking to Neha and showed my this chatbot. And she immediately said that I would like that you should share it with my Pune branch members so that they can also benefit it. So that was my pleasure, Neha. And with your due permission of Pune branch, I'm going to start with my PPT and just a brief introduction. So every chartered accountant has two offices, one that opens at 10 in the morning and the one that never closes in the minds of the clients. Because questions don't follow office hours. Madam, what is GST due date? Sir, ITR documents? Has notice come? What to do? And somewhere between compliance and calls, we forget that we are meant to advise and not repeat the answers. Today, I will show you how to create a team member which never sleeps, never gets tired, and never even asks for the salary. It's an AI chatbot. And what is an AI? An AI chatbot is nothing but your knowledge, which trained once, working forever. So, quickly going through my PPT and then I'll demonstrate the practical. So, discover how AI chatbots provide seamless, instant support for chartered accountants. This presentation explores chat based AI's transformative power for accounting firms. The chartered accountants challenge around the clock demands, high client expectation, constant availability, tax season surge. So, I am introducing an AI chatbot which will automate routine tasks, boost client satisfaction, cut operational cost. And the website and AI tool that I've used it's chat based AI, your partner in automation, in which it is no coding platform, creates sophisticated AI chatbots without technical expertise, custom training, train AI on your firm's unique data for precise responses, seamless integration, connect easily with existing accounting software and workflows. So how can you build your CA chatbot, which is step-by-step guide? First of all, you have to upload the data. You have to import the frequently asked questions, guidelines, and knowledge bases to feed the AI. You have to train your AI, refine the chatbot accuracy with continuous learning based on inputs, customize, brand your chatbot for a personalized client interaction experience. Key features for chartered accountants will be tax law interpretation, accurate answers aligned with current regulations, audit compliance, data security, and financial reporting. So, what will be the key features and real world applications? It will be client onboarding, automate document collection swiftly and accurately, tax frequently asked questions, answers common questions instantly 24 by 7, financial reports, generates basic reports and summaries on demand, also appointment scheduling, managing meetings and client communication effectively. So with the help of this, our client response time, 50% reduction target, client satisfaction, 20% increase target, operational cost, 15% reduction target, chatbot accuracy, 95% target. So future of accounting embracing AI-powered support is continuous learning, scalability, competitive edge, and market prediction. So get started today transforming your practice with chat-based AI. So let's go forward for a practical demonstration. So as you can see, this is my chat-based website. I log out. So you can refer it's chatbase.co. This is the website link. Log in with Google. This I'll show on you my WhatsApp. Yeah. So these were the which I had prepared. This is CA Gurveen Naring Tax Assistant, which I prepared for my hackathon. And a very interesting portion is about ICAI Pune branch, which I created yesterday night by linking it to the website. So first I'll show you my personal chatbot and then I'll go to the another chatbot. So this I have shared to my clients. So, hi. Hi, how can I help you today? If you have any questions or need assistance, just let me know. So this WhatsApp chatbot I have shared to my clients. Suppose if some client asks questions, what are the documents required for income tax filing? So you can see with a fraction of seconds for filing your income tax return, you will typically need the following documents: PAN and Aadhaar, your permanent account number and Aadhaar card, Form 16 or salary slips. This is provided by your employer and contains details of your salary and tax deductions. bank account details, information about your bank accounts, interest certificates for fixed deposits and saving bank accounts, capital gain details, if applicable, details regarding any capital gain, business income details for those filing ITR 3 and 4, investment proof for deductions, any proof for investments made for claiming or deductions if not declared earlier. What documents are required for GST filing? For filing goods and services tax returns, you will typically need GST registration certificate, proof of your GST registration, sales invoices, purchase invoices, debit and credit notes, payment receipts, bank statements, input tax credit claims. I have also trained it with my website. So, about myself, what are these services? This is a personal services provided by CA. You can train it your bot according to your services and your offices which provide and your specializations. So anybody if it is embedded on your website, your Instagram, I'll show it you wherever you can incorporate it. So Gurveen Naring and Associates provides a range of professional services, including accounting services, audit services, tax consultancy, corporate finance, corporate governance services, management consultants. So this was a practical demonstration. I just showed you on my WhatsApp link by which clicking this I have shared it with my clients, and they can ask me the routine questions which will save my time for advisory work and research work rather than answering the same questions. What are the last dates to file the tax returns? What documents require? And so on. Moreover, I can also track all the chat which is done with my chatbot in my chat history. So going forward to the website and just letting me, the step by step, I just prepared it. You can also view it. So empowering CA's AI chatbots in 10 minutes, discover how chartered accountants and their firms in India can leverage a no-code chatbot solution to provide 24/7 client assistant, enhancing efficiency and client satisfaction. Build a CA chatbot in less than 10 minutes. Using Chatbase, we will demonstrate a seamless code-free process to create an intelligent assistant that handles client queries related to GST and income tax. No coding expertise is required. So I'm also not a very programmer or coding. Without that, I have created this. So you all can also create it. It's just your firm's knowledge base. No code solution. It is accessible for every firm. It is 24/7 availability, always there for your clients. Also boost up the efficiency. So open chatbot base and create a bot. This is the step one. Navigate to chatbase.co and sign in effortlessly with your Google account. Click on create new chatbot to begin the process. Remember, it's all about no coding, only login. The initial step lays down the foundation for your intelligent assistant, connecting it to a powerful AI backend without any complex setup. Choose train on your data. Once in Chatbase, you'll be presented with options to train your bot. Train on your data, then specifically click on files. This method allows you to imbue the chatbot with your firm's specific knowledge. By choosing files, you're preparing to upload the documents that will make your chatbot an expert in your firm's services. So this is the most important step. Upload your CA knowledge base. This is the most crucial step in personalizing your chatbot. The quality of chatbot's responses directly depends on the data you provide. You have to upload the key PDFs, GST frequently asked questions, comprehensive answers to common goods and service tax inquiries, ITR document checklist, notice reply format, standard procedures for responding to income tax notices. Click create chatbot and it will give 30 to 60 seconds. The AI is now processing and understanding your documents. Step 4, live testing your bot. It's time to see your chatbot in action. The chat screen will appear, ready for your queries. Test with real world queries. What is GSTR 3B due date? What documents are required for ITR? How to reply to income tax notice? Observe how the chatbot retrieves answers directly from the PDF you uploaded, demonstrating its ability to provide specific authoritative information. This isn't just a Google search, it's your firm's knowledge in action. So you have to also professional instruction setup, refine your chatbot's persona and ensure it communicates exactly like a trusted member of your firm. So go to the instructions tab and paste the following. You are an AI assistant for a chartered accountant firm in India. Answer GST and income tax queries in simple professional language. If unsure, ask the user to contact the office. So main is the how you train your chatbot. It is your 24 by 7 AI assistants while you are sleeping, but the chatbot is working. So your bot now reflects the professional tone and boundaries of your practice, ensuring consistent client interaction. Then deploying your chatbot. Make your intelligent assistant accessible to everyone who needs. Make bot public and copy the link. Just I copied the link of my chatbot to my WhatsApp. Navigate it to the share section. Toggle public access to on. Copy the public chatbot link. This link is your gateway to instant client support. It's your firm new 24 by 7 digital receptionist. So where to use the chatbot link? Integrate your chatbot across all client tech points for maximum impact. On your website, embed it directly for the instant support. WhatsApp auto reply, respond to clients immediately. Email signature, added for ongoing assistance. As a QR code in your office, physical access to digital help. On your visiting card, a modern touch to your professional identity. WhatsApp is free deployment. Seamlessly integrate your chatbot in one of the India's most popular communication channels. Automate client queries on WhatsApp. Create a custom WhatsApp link that connects clients directly to your chatbot. Now, every time when a client messages you on WhatsApp, they automatically receive a link to your AI assistant, providing instant access to the information without your direct involvement. So, these were the simple questions which I'll go for the live demo. So future is automated. Start building your chatbot now. So now, first of all, before going to the live demonstration, I would like to show the Pune branch chatbot also, which I prepared last night. I'll share it with Neha. She can also click it and then she can share it with the other branch members. So ICAI Pune branch, see it's WhatsApp. So I trained it last night. So let's see. I linked it with the website of ICI Pune branch, trained it from the web links, and let's see how good it's trained. Please, let's start with, please tell me about managing committee of Pune branch of ICAI. So CA Sachin Minyar is the chairman, CA Pranav Apte is vice chairman, CA Nitesh Yulokarji Secretary, CA Neha Phadke Treasurer, CA Pradya Bam Vikasa Chairperson, CA Rishikesh Badviji is member, CA Sarika Dindodkar is member, CA Nand Kumar Kadam is member, CA Pratosh Manot member. So all the details are here. So please tell me about upcoming seminars, upcoming events, I should say, events of Pune branch. So its Fireside Connect is going to happen on 16 February 2026. Venue, fees, details, registration, certificate, course on AI also coming. So I hope this is a great opportunity. Voluntary contribution to CABF, and so it's given. So let me also check about the awards of Pune branch. Wow, good level of awards, national level awards, ICAI. So see, it's up till which I have trained. So latest award which the Pune branch is not updated on the website, so it didn't depict it because I have not trained my chatbot for the latest, and because it is not available in the data. If it would have been available on the website, it would also have come. So you can see how it's interlinked. It's only about how you train your chatbot. Address of Pune branch. Yeah. So now let's go forward for the chat base, how I created this. That is the most important. Let me show it to you. Yeah. So from the first scratch, I am showing you chatbase.co. So AI agent for magical customer experiences. Then I go for dashboard, or you can simply, it's login through Google. So I'm showing up the Pune branch only. So this is the agents. I'll go here. You can just see last train 19 hours ago. So I trained it last night only. So this is the main important work which a profession has to do, just like you train your staff. It's the train last 19 hours ago. This is the model GPT. It's GPT 5.1. So you can upgrade for more, which is paid. AI actions, instructions, activity. It will show the chat logs, whatever chat is being done. You can create it on your website. See, all the chat which I did, it's coming here. So you can see. Then it's leads, analytics, chats, topics, sentiment, data sources. So this was where I trained it. This is the files. You can attach any file. If you are loading a PDF, make sure. So you can just, whatever, in whatever manner you want to train your chatbot, You can create a PDF and drag and drop here, and then you have to say train it, and this you click here, the agent will be trained. Then this is the text snippets. If you want to add text snippets to your knowledge base that the agent gets trained. So example refund request. So any of the text snippet you can add here. This was the website link you can see. So I just selected here www.punebranch.ici and then I clicked fetch links and it was selected. You can just see this is selected. And within, I think so, trained, it was within a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, which it fetched 140 links, 316 KB data. And then this, my chatbot for Pune branch was trained. Question and answers. If you want any of these specific question and answers for your chatbot, you can ask the title, question, add question, and then you can save answer. And then you can click here. And if any of the client or any of the member of any of the student, there are certain questions which repeatedly are being asked. So you can train it accordingly that. And then it will be in your knowledge base of your chatbot. If anybody asks that question, it will be answered automatically that time. Then this is Notion. So add Notion sources to train your agent with precise information. So there are different heads by which it's files, it's text snippets, it's your website link, it's question and answer. This is the main how you train your data. You have to feed your knowledge base to this. So no of the programming is there, nothing. It's no code platform. These are normal training platforms of your chatbot, but this training should be absolutely accurate to get the good results. Then this is the tickets. So this is a paid plan. Then suggestions. So spot issues in your knowledge base, whether it's conflicting information across sources or missing content, or suggestions help that ensure that your AI agent is always accurate, consistent, and fully equipped to handle it. So these are the actions. So what I created, that was a free of cost platform. If you want to upgrade your plan, in which you can access to advanced models like or latest from OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Cohere, DeepSeek. If you want advanced LLM to be linked with your chatbot, you have to pay it 1,500 message credits per month, 5 AI actions per AI agent, 20 MB per AI agent, integrations to Zendesk, WhatsApp, and more, API access, and basic analytics. And if you upgrade it to $150 per month, it's 10,000 messages credit per month. And if it's a little more pro, then you take 40,000 message credits per month. So it will depend upon your requirement. Contacts. So you can add your all the contacts here so that anybody, if your chatbot is linked on your website, or you can create a list of your contacts here and then deploy it on your WhatsApp or any social media platform, or even if your any of your other Instagram, you can be linked it with anywhere. So these are the features which you can deploy. It's the email. So you can see it's the email, Zapier, Slack, WordPress, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Zendesk, API, Shopify, and Salesforce. So there are so many channels which are available. I had deployed it on WhatsApp. So you can also deploy it on your website, which is easily visible. Just like when you have recently attended WOFA, you could have seen a chatbot which was there on the website, which was answering all the questions in pretty seconds, I should say, for the general guidance of all the 10,000, 20,000 members who were coming all across the globe. So it was a chatbot on the WOFA app you must have seen. So these are the settings. general, AI, emails, chat interface, security, custom domains, integrations. So these are the training process. You have to train your agent accordingly. And due to paucity of time, I can't depict each and every, but I would like that these are the general AIs. You can just say basic information about its agent, its name, unique ID, and storage. Then its emails. It can be linked to your email IDs directly. So chat interface, chat interface is there, then security. So this is very important. Then custom domains, purchase an add-on for, it's more as your chatbot is increasing usage, you can go according to that. Then it's webhooks, upgrade your plan, notifications, and various integrations. So, and then when it's ready, so the playground is ready for this. And I will share it with the um, Neha ma'am, and general questions if you can ask, if you want, about the Pune branch, you can just ask here. I'll just show it. So I would suggest I'll share it with Pune, and they can share it with the other members. I'll share it with the office bearers so they can be sharing it with the other members. And accordingly, I would suggest that you should deploy this chatbot even in your website. So Pune branch is established in 1962. Over the years, it has grown into one of the largest and most dynamic branches in the country, and today it has more than 11,000 members, around 25,000 students. The branch functions from ICAI Bhavan at Bibirewari, Pune, which houses CAPC Parmar Auditorium, CA BR Pandit Conference Hall, CA BK Khare Students Facilitation Center, full-fledged ITT labs. So if you wish, I can also share the details of the current initiatives under the present chairman. Pune branch has a strong tradition for organizing year-round programs in areas like finance, banking, corporation, IFRS, direct and indirect taxes, and also accounting standards, internal audit, soft skills, stress management, CFO meets, and industry-specific programs. It has also its own women's cell and Vikasa, and has successfully hosted many national and regional conferences, both members and students. So just see within, I think it's 10 minutes or 15 minutes in which I trained the bot, and it's answering so wonderfully. And I hope everything is also correct. So quickly going through the steps again, we have to open chat base on screen. Then you have to create bot. Then you have to log in with Google. And so we are not creating a software, we are creating a digital staff member. So you have to train on your files. You upload the GST frequently asked questions, ITR checklists, notice reply formats, and then click create bot. Step 3, and test the bot live. And then you have to give the instructions, go to the instructions and paste, and then copy the bot link, click share, public link. And now WhatsApp, which is the free method, create WhatsApp link with chat base and deploy it in your WhatsApp client messages. And practical use cases will be This bot can now answer GST doubts at midnight, share ITR checklist without you, guide on notice replies, explain your services to new clients, and become the first person a client talks to before you. So, power lines to say would like be I trained AI once, now it works daily. This is not automation, this is delegation. Earlier, we used to hire staff to answer calls, but now we are training AI. So this was about the chat base, and I would also like to share you one more AI chatbot which I prepared in my hackathon. So I would like to share it. This was also prepared without any programming. So it is Smart AI ITR Assistant. So this is also chatbot which I had prepared. I've already shown you my CA Gurveen Dharing Tax Assistant, which is my personal WhatsApp chatbot for all the answering the routine questions. Now I will log in into my account. So you can just see welcome user. Your AI assistant is ready to guide you. Tell me about yourself. So there have two types of clients which I had prepared, self-employed, business, and salaried. So anybody can click here. So this, I will be selecting the balance sheet of my client. Bank statement, profit and loss summary, AIS, TIS, 26AS, and GST, which will be uploaded on the cloud. Save and next. So you can see here, this is a chatbot which I have trained. This chatbot I have trained for income tax purpose. That chatbot I showed you, which was for general purpose, like about the general routine questions which my clients keep on asking about me, about my office, about the daily simple questions, what the tax documents required, last dates, the repeatedly questions which clients ask us and even disturb us anytime. So this task can be delegated to our chatbot, which is trained by us, so that on WhatsApp 24 by 7 it is answering the routine questions. And for the advisory work and for the advisory and research work, we are utilizing our precious time. And where the client is stuck up, you fix up a meeting with the client and then you talk to him or her. And so your time is saved and routine work is done by your AI chatbot trained by yourself. So this chatbot is a little bit different. This is for my income tax purpose. I have trained this chatbot in these many things. Like I will be attaching the 26 AS of any client, AIS, TIS, GST summary. This is turnover of the client, credit debit summary for the bank statement, compare the balance sheets and profit and loss summary, analyze risk of notice possibility. Suppose just if for my clients I have selected, suppose this is a PDF which is of 26 years of client. So this will, by clicking this, you can just see this chatbot is going to OpenAI and analyzing it and then giving its answer. All these data of the client which is going to OpenAI, it is redacted. None of the details are being shared to the OpenAI. So analyze the detail for GST AIs. So you can just see this is the information of that client's AIS. So during the income tax rush season, when there are so around 15 pages, 20 pages AIS, then TIS, then 26 AIS, we have to match all of them. And even during the audit season, so you can use this data to save your time. Like it saves around like 50 to 60% your time is saved by just clicking it, and then it will analyze it within uh, fraction of seconds. You just see this is the TDS which was deducted, this was the amount paid, and section 194, 190. This is the summary of this, and which can also be saved in PDF or Excel, which I have downloaded downstairs. Then this is suppose some clients GST 3B summary, TIS, so bank statement also. So I can just show you if it is taking, this is 2 years balance sheet of some clients. So compare, uh, these are the balance sheet 2024, profit loss 2024, balance sheet 2025, and profit and loss 25. So compare balance sheets and profit and loss summaries. So let us see how does it give the response. So you can see uh, within few seconds it is given wonderful comparison. In 2024 it was 31 lakh 34,971, and in 2025 this was the balance sheet. This is the secured loans, secured creditors, sundry creditors, payable and provisions, total liabilities, and total assets. And this was the comparison chart of the profit and loss. GP was this much, and this is your GP. This is by sale, and this is by net profit. And this was about the balance sheet and profit and loss summary. Then you can analyze any of the bank statement, credit debit summary. And also I'll show you this. This is a little chatbot, which is just like Chat GPT. So this is about, again, it is trained in a general manner. It is not specialized. That earlier was for my income tax purpose specifically. This is general. You can again ask some general questions where you are stuck up, like, hi, GST 3B and GST 1. So it's the way of working, which I think because of technology, we have to adapt. A CA who will be use AI can replace a CA who will not use AI. So just see, I click GST 3B and GST 1 are two different forms used under the goods and services system. It's a summary return, content, outward. So it's given all the GST 3B and GST 1 are essential for compliance under the GST regime. So similarly for income tax. So this is a general chatbot which I entered in my this tool which I prepared for hackathon. So income tax returns for salaried employees. So just you can see it give us a highlight. Filing income tax returns for salaried employees in India is a crucial process. Determine the applicable ITR form, collect necessary documents, choose the mode of filing, then log into the income tax portal, fill in the details, verify TDS, calculate tax liability, claim deductions, then pay additional tax, submit and verify your return, keep acknowledgement and important dates. It's 31st July, revised returns, additional tips. So this was all about my this chatbot. I log out. So I hopefully you can just see that we became chartered accountants to apply the judgment, not to repeat the information. So let AI handle the repetition, and so we can handle the thinking, because future CA office is not bigger, it is smarter. So I hope that you all will go home today, open Chatbase, upload the PDFs, and you will all create your first digital staff member. And now I'm open for the questions.
Yeah. Hi, Gurvin. Sachin Miniar here. I'm the
Yeah,
branch chairman. Sorry,
yes,
actually,
sir.
I'm not in office. Some tournament is going on, so I'm just addressing from outside. Gurvin,
Okay, sir.
already there are few questions which are loaded in the chat box.
Okay,
So,
sir.
are you able to see it, or should I read it for you?
Sir, kindly.
Okay, I will read it for you. I think when you were showing those various AI tools, one CA Kirit Kalyani is asking, is it free? If not, what is the way to get it free? And then second immediate question was, it is showing that they are free for 7 days. So means
Yeah.
either
No, sir, it's free. It's free up to the number of questions. I showed you that page again. Uh, I had created my first chatbot, which is through chat based in 2024, and still now it is working. I showed you the live demonstration. It is not free for 7 days only. Once you create, it's on my personal WhatsApp. Suppose you are commercializing it, or you are putting on your website, and number of messages are 10,000 or more, then you need to buy for this paid version. Otherwise, I created it free of cost since 2024, and it's working till now.
okay. Thank you. Second question is whether chatbot can go to file folders for which access is given and share required file to the client.
Yeah, you can train your chatbot. What I did was I linked it with Calendly. Calendly is for booking of appointments. Suppose on WhatsApp I've given chatbot to my clients, and if it's linked to, suppose example, it's Calendly software, then what it will say, it will highlight on what days I'm available. So directly the client can pick and choose the appointment time, and also then I can train my chatbot on WhatsApp that please upload your bank statement, upload your Form 16 on WhatsApp only. And then it automatically goes to the email of my staff, right? And then they prepare the income tax return, which is on Google Drive, right? They prepare, the data is saved on my computer in Drive. And then it is shared with my staff. They prepare the return. And the final, when appointment is booked, the client comes and meet me and then finalizes his or tax return. So this is the way of the smart CA office using AI chatbot. So your minimal interaction, your wastage of time is saved, and everything is done by WhatsApp. And your staff is being instructed through the files which client is giving on WhatsApp, and it all the data is saved on WhatsApp. Also, you can. I showed you the chat history also in chat base. Whatever questions I've asked from first to last question, every chat history is there. And even if I some client uploads the data or send on WhatsApp bank statement, it will be automatically going to my Google Drive, and which will be shared with the staff, and then they can share it to the respective folders of the client, do the work, and then a appointment is booked up, and then I can deal with the client.
Okay. Next query is we every day hear about digital hacking, whether AI tools equally can be hacked.
Yes. Very good question. And DPDP Act is being introduced. And I hope everybody would be knowing it's the penalty of around 250 crores. It's not a small penalty. And for this hacking, you have to, like this tool, whichever I prepared, I will be sharing it with my clients only. So it is not with everybody and anybody, it's with my clients. And also, the data is linked to my drive. So there are no chances of hacking for that because it is all things are linked to it. Secondly, you have to be more diligent while using AI tools because just as you have banks like OTPs not to be shared, just like that, you have to be little vigilant while using any of the AI tools. No, because even when chat GPT, it's an open LLM. So whatever data, suppose some clients notice is coming, so I would always suggest that to redact the PAN number of the client, the address of the client, and then upload the notice in the LLM because you don't know where that data or notice can go and the details of the client is shared with them. So you have to be bit very diligent while using AI tools. This is very important.
So thank you, Gurvin. In fact, participants, I would just like to not only express gratitude to Gurvin, but also inform you that we, the management committee members of Pune, while we were attending WOFA, Gurvin was sitting with Neha for the hackathon session. Gurvin, if you remember, you were
Yes,
just in
yes.
the next row ahead of
Yeah,
me. And Neha just spoke with Gurvin, shared the idea that yes, at Pune we are having such kind of sessions, and we are really thankful to Gurvin that she was overexcited to accept our invitation, and she immediately said that yes, she would also like to share her knowledge about the chatbot and give a presentation on chatbot to all the participants over here. So, friends, this is what we always say that sharing of knowledge always
correct.
increases the knowledge. And Gurvin, on behalf of Pune branch and all the participants, I really thank you for accepting our invitation and
Thank you, sir.
addressing our participants over here. And it was really a good learning to see how chatbot can be developed because yes, as you rightly said, a smarter CA would be taking over other CAs, and in
Correct.
the long run, if we really learn to properly use this chatbot, we can surely save much of the routine work time which we otherwise spend addressing maybe calls or basic queries. So thanks a lot, Gurvin,
Thank you,
and
sir. Thank
thanks
you so
all
much.
participants for joining. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.